Hey everyone. So today we are going to learn how to create screen and screen schemes. So in my project, first I need to check what are the screens are configured. So for that I need to go to project settings. Under project settings, if you go scroll down, you can see screens. So under screens, you can see different issue type are associated with different screen. So let's say for story, epic, task, testing and subtask, this is my screen scheme. And this is my screen. Okay, similarly for bug, this is my screen scheme and this is my screen. So let's say my requirement is to have a separate screen task issue type, and I need to add some extra fields. So in that case, if I add this to the existing screen, then what will happen? It will reflect for all other issue types. So for that, first we need to create a separate screen and a skin scheme, and then you need to associate with task issue type. So for that, first we need to create the screen. So remember, you should have admin access, system admin access to create screen. So we'll go there. So you can see my screens pages there, and these are my active screen. So what is active screen? That means the screen which is created and used currently in the project. So if I create a new screen and don't use it in my project, then it will not show here because these are not active screen. So let me first create a screen. Okay. So for that you can do it two type. First you can click on add screen and create a blank screen, or you can say fresh screen. Then you can add your field, or if you want to reuse the existing one, just create a copy of the existing one and then you can add extra field. So currently this one is being used. So what I'll do, I'll just copy, click on copy, and this will create your new screen, but naming should be project key, and your, let's say we want to create for task issue screen. A copy, now it's created, but it will not show here because this one is here, sorry, this one is here, this one, but this is not associated with any screen scheme, so this is not an active screen. So to make it active, what we'll have to do, we have to create a screen scheme and then associate it with it. So let's go to screen scheme. Let's add a screen scheme. Let's say I want to create TES task issue screen scheme, and here we have to select the screen. So now I'll add. Okay, so now it's added, you can see here. Then we have to add, because it's not added within issue type scheme, then we have to add this one, this screen scheme to issue type scheme. So for that, what we have to do, let's go to our project settings. You can add it from here, but for easy reference, I'll go to the project. I'll add it there, so you'll understand how we are mapping to the issue types. So let's go to project settings. Go to screens. Okay, so we have to add the screen scheme to task. Okay, let's go to action, and you can see here edit screen. So I will go to edit screen. Then we have to associate. Okay, so let's associate the issue type. So let's type task, and the issue type screen is this one. We have created this one. Then we'll add. Okay, now you can see the issue type screen scheme is added. Now you can go here, and this is my issue type screen. You can see the existing field is copied. If you want to add some extra field, you can add it here. Okay, let's say I want to add actual end. So you can see it's added here. If you want to remove some field, you can, let's say you want to remove labels, you can remove it from here. You want to add a new tab, you can add it here. Let's say field tab 2. So in the field tab you can add, let's say approver, any field you want to add, you can add here or remove here. So basically this is how you can create a screen and screen schemes and associate it to the project. So I hope you like this video. In the next chapter we will see how we can make a field mandatory, optional, or we can add description, how we can add tab, how we can sequence the field. In the next chapter we will learn that one. Thank you everyone.